DNA Solutions Home Paternity Kit Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the products mentioned are added in the description. The DNA Solutions Home Paternity Kit is designed for anyone who needs a quick, private, and reliable answer to paternity questions without stepping into a clinic or dealing with complicated procedures. This test focuses on simplicity and accessibility, offering clear instructions, sterile cheek swabs, and prepaid return packaging to streamline the entire process from sample collection to lab submission. One of its key features is the use of advanced STR marker testing, typically analyzing 21 to 27 genetic markers depending on the package, which provides a strong level of accuracy for determining biological relationships. The lab is accredited and follows strict quality control standards, ensuring that each sample is handled carefully and processed using validated methods for consistent results. Turnaround time is generally 2 to 3 business days after samples arrive at the lab, and results are delivered through secure channels, keeping user privacy intact. In terms of strengths, DNA Solutions is known for customer-focused service, offering responsive support for users who need help collecting samples or understanding their reports. The test is also flexible, allowing mothers sample when available for more conclusive results, but still capable of producing accurate outcomes without it. Another benefit is its straightforward, no-frills approach. Users pay for a paternity test and receive exactly that, without hidden fees or unnecessary add-ons. The kit is suitable for adults, infants, and even older children, making it a versatile option for many family situations. However, there are weaknesses worth noting. This is a non-legal home test, meaning it cannot be used in court for custody, immigration, or child support cases. A separate legal version must be purchased for that purpose. The test also focuses strictly on paternity and does not offer broader relationship testing like siblings, grandparents, or ancestry analysis, which some competitors include. Additionally, shipping times can vary depending on location, potentially slowing the overall timeline. Overall, the DNA Solutions Home Paternity Kit is a solid option for individuals seeking a straightforward, highly private, and moderately priced test that delivers dependable results without unnecessary complexity or upselling.